So those of you who have a mathematical background, I need your help. You see, as Dr. Picklestein, I do this math exercise with the kids and whoever's in my audience, and I ask them to pull out their phone or a calculator because they'll need the calculator. And then we go through this. And what I'm going to ask you to do is first try it yourself. And second, if you have any idea why this works, I've been thinking about it. I have some ideas, but I'm still not there yet. So this would be really amazing if you could do that for me. Okay, here we go. First, whoops, pick a whole number that is 1 or above. That's it. That's the first thing. So keep that in your mind. And then once you have that number, enter it into your phone or calculator, whatever you use. Okay. And now the key here is after you do each step, hit the equal button, because we need to we're going to keep a running number that will reflect all of the operations we performed on it. So, okay, so type that number into your phone. Then here we go. Multiply that number by 2 and hit the equal sign. All right. Now to that number, add 5 and hit the equal sign. Okay. Fifth step. Whatever that number is from 4, multiply it by 50 and hit the equal sign. Now, if you've already had your birthday this year, to that growing number, add 1,773. And if it's not, if you have not yet had your birthday this year in 2023, add 1772 and hit the equal sign. So hopefully all this is making sense. Then subtract the year of your birth from that number. And don't lie, tell the truth. And hit that equal sign again. Now at this point, you'll have some number. And there's something very special about that some number. And here it is. Okay, you'll have some number, and I just put 4 digits here, but if you picked obviously a 10-digit number, then you're going to have more digits. But if you look at the very last 2 of the number, that should be your age. And if you're over 100 or over, then the 3 digits will represent your age. But most people are in that range. So that those first 2 digits, that will be your age. And then the rest of the number that you got in front of it should be the number you picked that was 1 or bigger. And so that looks like magic to me, but somehow that seems to work. I've tried all kinds of different permutations on it myself, and it's pretty amazing. If you do it right, that's what you're going to find. And I love the look on the faces of the people in the audience when I do this. They're like, they look at me as if I was magic. So I'll tell you, one of the things that I've noted, because I've known this for about a year now, is that essentially you take a look at whatever year you're in. So we're in 2023, and you take the last 2 digits of that year and you add 1750 to whatever that is. So this is kind of what I've been thinking about. And if you haven't had your birthday yet, you would add 1749 to whatever that year is, the last 2 digits of the year. And so you can see then for 2023, we have 1773. For 2024, it'll be 1774, and this will be 1773. But when you do that and then subtract the year of your birth, you get this very reliable number where the last 2 digits are your age, and the The rest of the stuff in front of those last two digits are the number you selected. Really crazy. So, first of all, hopefully you enjoyed it because it is kind of neat. But secondly, for those of you who are mathematically inclined, why does that work? Is there something we could do to figure that out? I would love to know why that works. I've been working on it, but I'm just not quite getting there yet. I don't understand the relevance of the numbers. I think that's the big part. And the fact that you could pick any number you want and then you multiply it by 2, add 5. I don't know what that's about. I don't know where multiplying by 50 comes from. So there's obviously some formula or something that someone has one time worked out, or some kind of relationship, and I just don't know what it is. So I'm asking for your help.